Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing the number. Error in Excel, a comprehensive guide. The number error in Excel signals a problem with the numbers used in a formula or function. It's a common error that can be frustrating, but understanding its causes and knowing how to address them is key to maintaining accurate and reliable spreadsheets. This guide will explore the various reasons why the number error arises and provide solutions with code examples where applicable. Understanding the number error ***. The number error generally indicates that a formula is encountering an issue with numeric data that it cannot handle. This could be due to a wide range of problems, from attempting to calculate the square root of a negative number to dealing with exceedingly large numbers. It's Excel's way of telling you, I can't process this calculation with the numbers provided. Common causes and solutions ***. Let's dive into the most frequent reasons for encountering the number error and how to fix them.